Hi everyone, this is Luigi, the Pinoy travel filmmaker, back with another travel video. Come and join us as we explore one of the best holiday parks that I ever been here in New Zealand. Quinney's Bush Camp is located in Nelson. It is a 30-minute drive away from Nelson City. It is a powered camp which is surrounded by mountains, lush greeneries, and a crystal clear river. This place is perfect for those who loves to do outdoor activities, especially with the family. There are a lot of things that you can do in this amazing place, and I'm pretty sure that everyone will enjoy it. At Quinney's Bush Camp, you have a variety of options for your accommodation. You can bring your own tent, drive along with your camper van, or you may also rent a cabin, which is good for groups and couples. The place is very peaceful, quiet. It is not as crowded as the one we visited in Golden Bay, and there are a lot of amenities which is available for use. There are lots of dining areas, grilling stations, a kitchen, laundry area, and of course, toilets and shower rooms. The kids will surely enjoy this place as there's a big playground for everyone. It is also a good place if you want to do some team building activities or just do some friendly competitions with your friends or family. There's a water slide which is opened only from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. and there's also the Flying Fox, which is one of the best rides that we enjoyed. The park is so huge and there's plenty of space to play, run, or bike around. What I love the most about this place is the Quinney's Lake, which is connected to the freshwater river that is coming from the mountains. The water is cold and crystal clear, which is great for swimming. The lake has levels, which is good for kids and adults, and you may also bring your kayak if you like. You will also find eels on one part of the camp for you to appreciate. There are also quiet places that is good for picnics, group meetings, or prayer meetings. During the night, there are available bonfire pits where everyone can gather around, talk about life, cook hot dogs or marshmallows. Surely this is a very memorable experience for me and my family, and I'm certain that we will be back again for another time. I hope that you like this video. Click subscribe and hit the bell icon for new travel videos every week. Thank you for watching till the end. This is Luigi, the Pinoy travel filmmaker. I'll see you guys on the next travel destination.